Do you know that soya beans are not just food? They are used in crayons, biodiesel, cosmetics, and even construction materials. Beyond tofu and soya milk, this magic bean has surprising industrial, environmental, and everyday applications that most people don't even realize. The first thing about soybean plant is that it can make its own free fertilizer. The good bacteria that lives in tiny bumps on the roots of the soybean plant can grab nitrogen from the air and turn it into usable fertilizer. And it often leaves some benefit for the soil. These make soybeans more sustainable and reduces the need for synthetic fertilizers compared to many other crops. Second hidden feature of soybeans is that soya oil is used to make safe, non-toxic crayons. Interesting thing about this is that one field of soybean plants can give oil for over 80,000 crayons. Third hidden feature of soybean is that a long time ago, Henry Ford and his team at the Ford Motor Company developed the soybean car, a prototype with a plastic body which was made from soybeans, wheat, and hemp. The car was 30% lighter than steel models, but later the project was abandoned due to World War II. Fourth hidden feature is that in old wars, when coffee was hard to get, people used to roast soya beans and drank them instead. Many newspapers, textbooks, and magazines use soya-based ink instead of petroleum-based versions because it's more environmental friendly and easier for recycling. Soybean oil makes biodiesel by undergoing a process called transesterification, where it is reacted with alcohol and a catalyst to create fuel. 1 acre of soya beans produces roughly 57 gallons of biodiesel. 1 gallon is equals to 3.785 liters. This soybean plant has almost zero waste. Every part of this plant is used somewhere or the other. Beans for food, oil for products, leftover meal for animal feed, and even stock for other things. One small soybean plant grows 60 to 80 pods, each with 3 to 4 beans inside it. Soybean plant is one of the very few plants that deliver a complete protein profile. Research says moderate intake of soybeans have health benefits like lower cholesterol, better bone health, reduced menopausal symptoms, and even lower risk for certain cancer, heart disease in some populations. Soybeans were once called yellow jewel or great treasure for their nutrition. Soybeans truly are one of the most multi-purpose crops out there, from ancient yellow jewel in Asia to modern industrial hero.